Hello there, it's Anna here and welcome to Little Crochet Farm. If you're new to my channel, here is where I share free crochet patterns for you to have fun, and today I'm sharing with you Mini Miss Claus. You can head over to the website and start crocheting this Mrs. Claus today. There you'll find the free version of this written pattern, also with a list of materials and a bunch of step-by-step images to help you along the way, and you can start crocheting her today. I like very much how her hair was done. It's very unique. I hope you enjoy. There is beautiful details like this apron who meets on the back, and she's wearing a very nice comfortable dress. I hope you enjoy this pattern, and if you like Mrs. Claus, you will like for sure the Christmas Tale ebook that I have on my website. It's a Christmas tale, a original Christmas tale, and Mrs. Claus is a key for what's happening in this gingerbread man's sweet adventure. You must take it out. It's a very nice ebook, and all the 11 characters that make appearance in this Christmas tale, it's also crochet patterns, so you can crochet the characters of this tale and bring them to life. As for now, this ebook is with 50% off, so you must check it out. Now, this pattern is available for free on my website. All the written instructions is there with a couple of pictures and materials, but if you wish to download a PDF printable version of this pattern, you can find on both of my shops, on Etsy and also on Ravelry, or you can become a Patreon member, and there for a small monthly fee you'll have access to download the printable version of the patterns that I publish here on this YouTube channel. So if you join today, you'll get to download Mini Mrs. Claus, but if you're watching this video a little bit later and she is not there anymore for you to download, don't worry. Always from the moment you join the Patreon membership, it will have there at least the 4 most recent designs that I publish here on this YouTube channel. Okay, so if that sounds interesting to you, check out the link in the description box below this video and I would love to see you there. If you're happy with this pattern, leave me a like on this video or a comment in the comment box below. All of these actions help me to reach out more people, and I thank you very much for doing that. Now, that's it for today. I hope you like this pattern. I hope you have fun crocheting her, and I will see you soon with the next free pattern. Bye!